Good morning, son.
Good morning, Daddy.
It's a beautiful morning, son.
Yes, it's a sunny day.
Are you hungry?
Yes, Mom. I am so hungry.
What do you want to eat?
Can I have banana pancakes?
Of course, you can. I'll get them ready.
Thanks, Mom.
This is your first day of school, Peter.
I know, Dad. I am so happy.
That makes me happy, too.
I get to meet new friends.
Yes, you do, and your new teachers.
Oh, yes. I forgot. I can't wait.
Okay, dear, let's get in the car.
Okay, Daddy. Let's go. Good morning, Jessica.
Hi, Peter. You are here early.
My father drove me to school today.
You don't take the school bus?
Not always.
I take the bus every day.
I used to. Now my father drives me.
I like taking the bus.
Hi, my name is Isabella.
Hi, Isabella. I'm Peter.
It's nice to meet you, Peter.
Nice to meet you too.
This uniform is very suitable for you.
Oh, thank you.
I'm glad to meet you, but I have to go.
What do you want to do?
I have to go to class now.
Yes, me too. We'll meet later.
Yes, we can meet after school.
Okay. I'll see you then. Teacher, I have a question to ask.
Yes. What is your question?
Are we going to play this morning?
Oh, yes, we are, but not right now.
When are we going to play?
As soon as we finish our lesson.
Can't we go a little early today?
Maybe, if we finish our lesson early.
Ms. Jennifer Banks, I'm not feeling well.
What is it, Isabella?
I'm sorry for interrupting the lesson, but my head hurts.
Oh, you may have a headache.
Yes, I think I do.
Let's go see the school nurse.
Okay, Ms. Jennifer.
I'll be back in class. Try to be quiet.
Let's go to the playground, Isabella.
Okay, Peter. Let's go.
Look at all the rides.
I want to go on the swing.
We can go on the slide after that.
Yes. And the merry-go-round, too.
I love the merry-go-round.
That's perfect. Let's play. Come on, Jessica. Let's play a game.
Okay, Isabella. What shall we play?
How about kickball? It's fun.
Yes, but I don't know how.
It's easy, Jessica. You just kick the ball.
I know that, but where do we kick it?
Just anywhere. It's a lot of fun.
Hey, this is fun. Thanks, Isabella. Teacher, I have a question.
Please raise your hand, Jessica.
Raise my hand?
Yes. Raise your hand first.
Okay, teacher. My hand is up.
Yes, Jessica. What is your question?
What time is class over?
It is over at 3:30 o'clock.
Hi, Isabella. What are you doing?
I am finger painting, Jessica.
That looks like fun. Can I try it?
Sure, you can. Sit down here.
What do I do?
First, you have to get a piece of paper.
Okay, I got it. But I don't have color to draw.
Use my colors to draw. It's fun.
Thank you.
Hi Peter. Want to color with me?
Sure, Isabella. I love to color.
This is green. It's my favorite color.
I like green, too.
What's your favorite color?
I don't know, maybe yellow.
Here, try this yellow. It's pretty.
Yes, it is. It's perfect.
Hey, Peter. What are you doing?
I am going to use the slide, Jessica.
This game looks fun. Can I come with you?
Sure, you can. It's fun.
Thank you. Where do I go?
Follow me up the ladder, Jessica.
This is fun.
Now slide down. It's fast and fun.
Hey, Isabella. Let's go ride the merry-go-round.
What is that?
It's a game we can play. Follow me.
Okay, Jessica. Let's go.
Here you get on. I'll push.
Wow. This goes fast. Jump on.
Okay. Here I go.
I love this game. This is fun. What do you have for lunch, Peter?
I have an omelette and soup.
That sounds good. I have salmon.
Salmon is good too, Isabella.
I like soup. Do you want to trade?
Sure. I like salmon.
This trade is good for both of us.
Yes, it is. Thanks, Isabella.
Today we are going to the library.
What is the library, Mr. Lucas?
It is a place to study, Peter.
What do they have there?
Newspapers, computers, books, classes, and more.
That sounds like fun.
It is, Peter. And you can learn there.
I can't wait to go. Let's go.
Today we go on our field trip class.
Where are we going, Ms. Jennifer?
We are going to a park, Jessica.
That sounds like fun.
It is, Jessica. Is everyone ready?
We are ready, teacher.
There's the bus. Let's get on.
We like going on field trips.
Mommy, I don't feel good.
What's wrong, Peter?
My stomach hurts.
Oh no. Let me get some medicine.
Okay, Mommy.
Here, Peter. Drink this.
Yes, Mom.
I'll call the school. Try to rest, dear.
Thank you, Mom. Are we going to the zoo today, Mom?
Of course we will, Peter.
When can we go?
After our chores are done.
Okay. What should I do?
First, finish your homework.
I am already finished, Mommy.
Clean your room, and we can go.
Okay, Mom.
Hello, Isabella. How was school today?
It was great, Mom. Thank you.
Do you have any homework?
Yes, I do, in geography and literature.
Have something to eat first.
Okay, Mom.
You can do homework after dinner.
Sounds good, Mom. Thank you.
Isabella, it's time for dinner.
Yes, Mommy. I'm on my way.
Sit on that chair, dear.
This one?
Yes, Isabella. The big chair.
I never sat here before.
I made chicken tonight.
Yeah, I love your chicken, Mom.